I guess I'll go.
You're the lucky winner.
I'm the winner.
Yep.
Well, there's been no one starting over here for a while, so you're good whenever.
All right, here I go.
You're at 2:15.
All right, here we go. Final stage, stage 4. Whew, gotta stay on the trail. This is the home run. I've made some changes up here, which I'm excited to ride. I haven't ridden them yet. Whew, I'm feeling it in my legs. We've done about 8 miles total riding. Chad and I didn't take any shuttles. We wanted to see if we could push ourselves on it. It's good. Good exercise. Whew. Ooh, down limb. Haha. New berm. That's nice. Woo! Oh, the headwind. Oh, uphill and a headwind. What are you doing to me here? Woo. Oh man, eyes are watering. Oh, dang. Oh, all right. Let's go. Little cheat there, go off the trail. Feel the burn, baby. Whew. Yeah. Woo. Oh, missed a gear. Almost done. buddy.
All right, all done with stage 4, the final stage in the 6-pack Enduro. What a fun event. Thank you, Trailspring, for putting this on. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. And if you did, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. It really helps out my channel. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what stage you like the most. And as always, get out there, run, bike, build, and just have fun. We'll see you in the next one.